Hello everyone. Today's video is going to take place in my bathroom because I'm going to be dyeing my hair. If you are new to my channel, I usually don't post these kinds of videos. I post college application related videos and I help you with your college essays. So if you came here for hair but you're interested in getting college application advice, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Okay, let's talk about what we're gonna do. So let me take my hair out of these braids so you can see what it looks like right now. My hair is very dirty because you're not supposed to wash it before you dye it to protect your scalp. So I have naturally brown hair. It is not dyed right now at all. However, it is permed at the bottom, like halfway through, which is kind of funny because like half of my hair is completely straight and half of my hair is curly. Usually when I get out of the shower, it's like a lot curlier than this. So perms do actually damage your hair, so I'm gonna have to put more masks and conditioner and stuff like that on my hair afterwards. But as for what I'm trying to do is I want to do strips of blonde. I'm going to do 3 strips. The first strip is going to be underneath here so you can't see the roots. Oh yeah, by the way, I have a streak of white hair. This is completely natural. I'm just getting old. So I want to have a streak of blonde like here or something like that. I'll obviously section it more nicely when I'm actually doing it. So like here, same thing on the other side. And then I think I want to do one more like some strip here or something. So something at the top as well. Let me show you my products before we get started. I looked at a lot of videos, but I still feel like I have no idea what I'm doing. We have the Wella, what is this, lightening powder. I'll show you guys this product, Coolio. And this is the developer I'm using. It's 30 volume developer. Brad Mondo said to use 30 volume developer, so that's what I'm going with. Even though one of my friends told me to use 40 because I need to get this like light because I want not just blonde, but like platinum, ideally. I don't know if it's gonna work out. I also bought this toner, the Blonde Brilliance Platinum Toner. However, I did some more research the other day and realized that I need to get a very specific developer with this toner, so I can't just use this. Also, I think you're supposed to use 10 volume developer with your toners because you're not trying to lift, you're just trying to deposit color onto the hair after it's already been lifted by the lightener. But yeah, for this brand, apparently you need to use their specific oil infused developer, so I'm gonna have to go buy that. So I probably won't be toning my hair today, but maybe you'll see that in this video depending on the series of events that happen. I also bought Shimmer Light's purple shampoo and I kind of regret it already just because the bottle is so enormous and I'm not dyeing my whole head, I'm just dyeing strips and it smells like an old lady grandma. So yeah, the perfume smells really strong, but it is supposed to also tone your hair and make it less brassy, less yellow, and more white with their blue or purple tones. All right, so let me just one more time show you my natural hair. Here's what we're working with. I'm about to go to brunch actually, and then once I come back, I'll be with a friend and she'll be helping me out.
Okay, so I want to make a line here, okay? Because I just don't want them to see the roots. Yeah, I don't want anyone to see the roots. Do you make it like a square? Or not a square, but like how do you do a strip? Okay, we got our sections. I look ridiculous. 1 scoop of that, 2 scoops of developer. Well, 2 ounces. 2. Isn't this an ounce? Can you tell I do science? So 1. Oh my god, I'm scared now. No! It's strong. I love the smell. You love it. Process for up to 50 minutes, but check every 5 to 10 minutes. So we're not gonna do the roots first because they cook faster and you can get hot roots. Let's just lather it on, just pack it on. Everyone talks about him on the YouTube videos.
Yeah, and I'm just like, I fear his fans are gonna come to your video and be like, y'all,
you should have done this. You should have done that.
And you know what? Maybe you should have. And
it's funny. I thought I would freak out about that. Like, if I got it on any other piece of hair, I would freak out.
also, it takes time to lighten.
Exactly.
So
is it on my eyebrow?
Your biggest fear now.
I would even lighten this part. That's okay. Highlights. Ooh, it was a design choice. It's now been 10 minutes since these 2 have been cooked, and we set another timer for this one, and it's very light. See, this is what I mean. It's like still really dark at the bottom. Okay, then maybe we just need to leave it for longer.
Yeah. You want roots, right?
Yeah.
I want to get into like the root that's like in the middle.
Shove your finger in there. I don't know how anyone does this alone.
There's some on your eyebrow.
What? Oh my god, no!
Do not panic.
Look at the roots there. See?
Yo. Oh yeah, these are blonde. We're
my God,
talking
that's-
Malibu Barbie blonde.
Barbie. Look at this.
It cooked right there.
No. That looks so funny up close on camera. I do not care.
What did you buy a toner?
Okay, our next timer went off. So it's time to take out all of them or just
I'd say just this one, because that one has less time.
just this one? Okay.
That one's also pretty blonde. I think these are similar in blonde. The roots are definitely a little blonder.
So wash it out? Okay, because we're gonna do this again anyways.
Yeah.
Lukewarm water. Okay, here's how we're looking. I blow dried this, or washed it out and blow dried it. And it's pretty light. It lifted a lot, but we're still gonna do one more round of bleach because I want it to be platinum. We'll see. We are doing the second round of bleach now, and the process has been way more calm and easy because we know what we're doing now, except we're not wearing gloves. We didn't do that much. Let's
Keep it 5 minutes. Yeah.
Here we're cooking.
Okay, we finished the second round of bleach, and then I just put in purple shampoo. After I washed out the bleach, I put in purple shampoo. I'm going to maybe actually tone it. I was planning on, I bought a toner, I just don't have the developer for it, so I might have to go and get that. But for right now, I just thought, why not? Let's try this purple shampoo. And it makes your hair really soft, at least with the shampoo on. It is now nighttime, and I just want to show you how my hair is looking now that it's dry. I did not put the toner in yet. I'm going to do that. I went to Sally's and I bought T18. I know Brad Mondo says not to do that, but honestly at this point, I don't care. I've seen it work on a lot of other people, so I'm just gonna do it. I really do love how it looks, how it just like peeps here. And then I can just be like, bam. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm going to tone it today just because I want to. My hair is looking really puffy right now. That's just because I need to reset it. The shower always resets the curls. I'm gonna make my hair a little bit damp because that's what it says to do. It should be damp when I tone it. So that's why I'm gonna use a spray bottle from the Los Angeles Zoo. All right, we are wet. Okay, I just smelled this. I didn't catch it on camera, but it smells really strong. Okay, I don't have Brianna here to help me. Just a spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down. It is so strong. I don't even know how to describe it. It's just like strong. It just like goes in your nostrils. Like the bleach was not this strong. This stuff is so stinky. I'm sorry, I'm gonna be whimpering during this whole time because it just smells so strong. I've heard you're just supposed to get it all up in there, smack it on fast. Ooh, is it? Oh, I see it's working. Oh my god, love that. I feel like it's developing, is that even the right word? More on the bottoms. See, it looks like purple. More on the bottoms than on the top. We're gonna leave this for 30 minutes because that's what it says in the box, or up to 30 minutes depending on how it's looking. We're gonna do some checks. Oh my god, y'all did not tell me I'm wearing this shirt backwards. This is the second time I'm putting it on. I put it on right the first time, but this time you can see the tag popping out. Okay, it hasn't even been 30 minutes, but it's looking pretty dark, so I think I'm just gonna wash it out, also because online also says like to take it out earlier than 30 minutes, so I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, I finished washing it out. Here's what it looks like. Definitely took out a lot of brassiness, yellowness, so I think it's pretty nice. So now the next thing to do is show you guys the final look. This is the final look. I love it. It's so cute. The blonde looks great. It's well toned, which is nice. It's pretty subtle, but I can also make it not subtle by just going like that. And I love that I can just pin my hair up if I wanted and it would be showing like that. Just all around, super cute, very happy with it. Yay! So thanks for watching this video, if you're stuck around. If you're interested in some college application advice, hit that subscribe button. Otherwise, bye-bye.